guys, today I'm going to show you how to make butternut squash fries. So you're going to want a baking sheet with parchment, and then I'm going to get my cutting board and we're going to work on cutting this. But first, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to, you're going to want to start off at 385. Okay, so you're going to preheat your oven, and then you're going to want to get a really sharp knife. So that we can cut the butternut squash. And it's microwaved, it's ready to go. So that's coming off. Cut. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. And then there's going to be some seeds all in the inside. So we're going to scoop all of that out. So I wish I had one of my grocery garbage bags. I don't have one right now. Okay. So scoop it onto here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to peel my butternut squash, and we're just going to peel off all of this on the outer. And also for your inner, all those little like hairs, scoop all of those out as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on peeling. Keep on peeling. Keep on peeling. So I'm going to go ahead and drizzle these with some olive oil. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to season with some salt and some pepper. Some paprika. And then some garlic powder. I'm just going to use my hands to toss this all together. Ready to go. Looking really good. Let's go in the oven. To make a burger sauce, I mixed together mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. So this will go, we will drizzle this on top of our Bison burger bowls, and it is so good, guys. It's a really good sauce. Really. Okay, so I've just got my butter in my pan, and then I have all this red onion because I like a lot of onion on my burger. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to get those in there. So this is what I'll start off before I put my Bison burgers in. So I'll now get my package of Bison and I'll get it opened up. Just getting this mixed basic. So I'm gonna also do some seasoned salt. Take my jewelry off. And then as I cook them, I will probably add some more pepper. So I'm just gonna get these formed as quickly as I can. There we go. Bison burgers ready to go. So now I'm just flipping over my butternut squash fries, and as you can see, we've got a nice brown color, and these are much healthier than potatoes. This is actually keto approved and a very good alternative for fries. So go ahead and try these out sometime. They are really good. So they have been baking about, I want to say maybe 30 minutes, and they're getting that nice golden. So with the parchment paper, that's making sure that they're not burning too much, because they can really get pretty burnt, but I feel like this one has a nice color. So I will just continue flipping, and you can flip them a few times during cooking. So if you guys are looking for a nice healthy French fry alternative, so I just smash these while I cook them with my spatula. Oh, these bison burgers are looking good. And then those grilled onions. It is so good making burgers homemade. Isn't that just amazing? And I love that red onion. It's gonna look so nice with the tomatoes in the burger bowl. So I put my green onions to the side so they didn't burn. And I got my tomatoes on the side. You could also have pickles, whatever toppings you like. Okay, so I got my food all plated up. And I have these tomatoes. Let's put them there just like that. And then I have that burger sauce. So I will just drizzle it. So this is one of the meals that I eat that help me lose weight, is this whole with these. You don't need McDonald's, don't need any of that. Put some ranch on the side. Dinner is ready. Butternut squash fries, bison burger bowl. One of my favorite weight loss dinners. I make a burger with either beef, elk, or buffalo. And And with this burger bowl, I always like to put my favorite toppings, so I try to get a bite of everything in the burger bowl. And it's so easy. And I got this lettuce on sale, which was awesome. Just dig right in, so just get a bite of everything. These fries are so good. You don't have to give up fries. You can have butternut squash fries when you're eating low carb and keto. This is so good, guys. Try this recipe out. Have a good day. Bye-bye.